Hi guys, this is Saipaz. Today I'm going to discuss a very interesting problem. It's a trigonometric problem finding number of solution but compositions of functions. The case of compositions of function, so you can think of such problem like sine of sin x or sine of cos x, etc. So in this case I have considered number of solution sine of sin x equal to cos of sine of cos x, where x lies in the interval 0 to pi by 2. If you want to try, then pause it for some time and then check the solution. So let's start. Before solving the problem, let us look at the behavior of sine and cos x in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So sin x is an increasing function and cos x is decreasing function. So you can see from 0 to 1 it's increasing and cos x is decreasing, but both are positive. So if you choose any x greater than y, then sin x will be greater than sin y. On the other hand, if you choose x greater than y, then cos x will be less than cos y because cos is decreasing function. So let us take f of x equal to sine of cos of sin x minus cos of sine of cos x. So if you take derivative of this function, then f dash x equal to minus cos of sin x into sine of sin x into cos x minus sine of cos x into cos of cos x into sin x. So here one thing you can observe that sin x and cos x both are positive. So sine of sin x or cos of cos x or sine of cos x or cos of cos x, cos of sin x, all are positive. So here you can see one minus sign before the expressions. So you can conclude that f dash x is less than 0 in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So f of x is decreasing function in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So what is the conclusion of this? The conclusion is f of x has only one root or it has no roots, because if it is a decreasing function then it can cut the x-axis only once or it cannot cut the x-axis. So we have to search for two number x1 and x2 such that f of x1 and f of x2 changes sign. Here observe that f of 0 equal to sin 1 minus cos of sin 1 equal to cos of pi by 2 minus 1 minus cos of sin 1. Now if we compare pi by 2 minus 1 and sin 1, then use the decreasing function behavior of cos function so that you can get it greater than 0 or less than 0. So let's try that. Sine of 1 is greater than sine of pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2, because 1 is greater than pi by 4 and sin x is increasing function. So sine 1 is greater than sine pi by 4. Also observe that sine 1 is greater than 1 by root 2 equal to 0.707 is also greater than pi by 2 minus 1, which is 0.5707. So cos of sine 1 is greater than cos of pi by 2 minus 1 equal to sine 1. Why? Sine 1 is greater than pi by 2 minus 1, but cos x is decreasing function. So cos of sine 1 should be greater than cos of pi by 2 minus 1 equal to sine 1. What does it imply? Imply that f of 0 is equal to sine 1 minus cos of sine 1 which is greater than 0. Let us find the value of function f of x at another point pi by 2. So f of pi by 2 equal to sine of cos of sine pi by 2 minus cos of sine of cos pi by 2, which is equals to sine of cos 1 minus 1. Again, this is actually sine of cos 1 minus sine of pi by 2. Pi by 2 is greater than 1. So cos of 1 obviously less than 1. So cos of 1 is less than pi by 2. And sin x is increasing function. So this must be less than 0. So f of pi by 2 is less than 0. So we have got 2 points 0 and pi by 2 where f of x changes sign. So we can have only one solution. You can see it here where I have simulated in Desmos. Here you can get only one solution in the interval 0 to pi by 2 at 0.611. So if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.